lights have been turned off. The day is coming to an end. As you settle down and prepare to sleep, I, Jesus, am coming close to you, very quietly, right next to your ear, to remind you of something. You are the salt of the earth. I'll say it again. You are the salt of the earth. Do you want to know what it means to be salt? Salt is something very small, but very special. It's hardly noticeable, but it has incredible power. It can transform everything without making a sound. With just a pinch, salt can give flavor to something simple. Salt does its work in silence, without drawing attention to itself. Yet it has the power to change everything from the inside out. When your mom or dad cook and add salt to the food, everything tastes better. Without salt, even the most scrumptious dish tastes bland. You can't see the salt in your food, but you can taste the delicious flavor it leaves behind. That is how you are in the world. You too can change what happens around you, even if no one notices. You can make simple things become special through the power of my love, through the way you treat others, through your joy. You can make everything around you more beautiful, full of love, and more like heaven. Another important thing about salt is that it's used to preserve what is valuable. A long time ago, when refrigerators didn't exist, salt was used to preserve food and prevent it from spoiling. Salt protected what was good. You can do that too. When you tell the truth, when you pray for someone in silence, and you think no one sees you, I see you, my child. When you choose not to make fun of someone, even if others do, you are protecting what is good, like salt preserving food. When you smile at someone who is sad, you're adding flavor to that person's day. When you clean your room without being asked, you are making everything better and filling your home with love. Being salt is this: small, quiet gestures that change everything. Remember that you already are the salt of the world, that you have the great mission to give flavor and protect what is good. Now, repeat with me. slowly, from the heart. I am the salt of the world. I bring joy and protect what is good. One more time. I am the salt of the world. I bring joy and protect what is good. You don't need to yell or make people look at you. All you have to do is love with your whole heart. The world will taste better simply because you were there. Rest in my love, dear child. I love you. Jesus.